EZ-Whelp whelping box. Probably took me about 30 minutes to assemble it in its entirety. It's 4x4. As you can see, the pig rails in there to stop mom from smothering the puppies. I like it. It's a little smaller than my homemade one that I made, but EZ-Whelp actually has attachments. As you can see, those little grooves right there, you can take these little top pieces off right here and add to it. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna add to it, show you one of the features. That, and then the other one comes off too, so mom has easy access in and out. And I think I'm gonna add another one to it, that way when she wants to get a break, then she can just get out of there and come over here. When she wants to get back in there, she can get back on the other. It comes with a I guess we'll call it a little berm or something like that, that stops leakage or anything like that. The only thing that I'm a little concerned about is these grooves. It's plastic, so I think it's going to be easy to clean. But the plastic grooves, I'm not really fond of that. Or these little grooves right here, that could be a hazard for the puppies, and getting caught over here in these corners right here can also be a hazard for the puppies. And I also bought more pads so I can clean one and do the other one. But for the most part, I like it. I think it's great. I'm excited to try it with this new litter.